Good morning. How are you all? Okay. Today I am going to give the revision. Lesson 1 Heat. Choose the right answer. Okay? Okay. First question. When an object is heated, the molecules that make up the object, the answer is begin to move faster. Next one. The unit of heat is joule. The unit of heat is joule. Next, third question. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be, answer is around 40 degrees Celsius. Next, fourth one. An iron ball at 50 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 50 degrees Celsius. The heat will not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Are you understood this pattern? Okay. Next pattern. Fill in the blanks. Heat flows from a higher temperature body to a lower temperature. Heat flows from a higher temperature to the lower temperature. The hotness of the object is determined by its temperature. The hotness of the object is determined by its temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is what, children? Kelvin. Next, fourth one. The solids on heating. The solid expands on heating and contract on cooling. The solid expand on heating and contract on cooling. Two bodies are said to be in state of thermal equilibrium. Two bodies are said to be state of thermal equilibrium if there is no transfer of heat taking place. Are you understood that? Fill in the blanks, children. Okay, next pattern is true or false. Heat is the kind of energy that flows from a hot body to a cold body. True. What is the answer, children? True. Steam is formed when heat is released from water. The answer is false. The answer is what, children? False. Next, thermal expansion is always a nuisance. Answer is false. Borosilicate glass do not expand much on being heated. True. The answer is what, children? True. The unit of heat and temperature are the same. The answer is false. Next pattern. Give reasons for the following. Give reasons for the following. First question. An ordinary glass bottle cracks when boiling water is poured into it. But a borosilicate glass does not do it. The borosilicate glass is cracked glass. They do not expand much on being heated and therefore they do not crack. Next, second question. The electric wire which sag in summer becomes straight in winter. In summer, the electric wire is expanded by high temperature, so it sags in summer. In winter, the electric wire is contracted by lower temperature. Hence, it becomes straight in winter. Are you understood, children? Next, third one. Rivet is heated before fixing in hole to join two metal plates. Answer is, in order to make the other end of the rivet to form a new rivet head. By hammering, the rivet is heated. It becomes malleable when the rivet is red hot condition. Are you understood? Yes, very good. Next pattern, match the following. Next pattern, what, children? Match the following. First one, heat. What is the answer? Joule. The SI unit of heat is joule. This one you already know, yes or no? Yes. Temperature. Temperature, the SI unit is Kelvin. What is that? Kelvin. Next, thermal equilibrium. No heat flow. Thermal equilibrium, no heat flow. Next, ice cube. 0 degree Celsius. Ice cube, 0 degree Celsius. Boiling water, 100 degree Celsius. Boiling water, 100 degree Celsius. Are you understood? Next, last pattern, analogy. Last pattern what children? Analogy. Heat, joule, temperature, Kelvin. Second one, ice cube, 0 degree Celsius. Boiling water, 100 degree Celsius. Next, third one, total kinetic energy of molecules. Heat, average kinetic energy of molecules is temperature. I think you understood all the patterns, right? Okay, children, read well. Thank you.